advanced medical directives and you. What is an advanced medical directive? Well, these things go by many different names. Most often we'll hear people talk about having a personal directive in place, advanced health planning, anything along those lines. And essentially what that means is you get to pick not only the person who makes choices for you, but also lets you pick some of those choices. So essentially, in the medical directive, you're deciding who is going to make medical decisions for you about your person. It has nothing to do with dollars. It has nothing to do with finances or mortgages or payments or anything like that. It's only yourself. So treatment, what kind of treatments you get, but also what kind of treatments you won't get. It also allows a person to make decisions about your socializing and your personal life, where you live, with whom you live, what kind of activities you do, and all those kinds of things. Now remember, these only come into effect if you lose capacity, and with the Advanced Medical Directive, it allows you to make sure that your wishes are met. How do you do that? Well, the Advanced Medical Directive lets you set out specifically what's important to you. Some people are more general and they'll say, I trust the person I'm picking to make the decisions and they know me and can make those decisions. For other people, they want to make sure that it's very clear. They'll say exactly what kind of treatments they want or don't want, depending on how their condition is. So if they're really, really bad versus like moderately bad, and it gives you that full control over what happens to you before you can't make those choices. The other advantage in this situation is sometimes families have conflict as to what kind of treatments a person will get. So you could have one family member who says, I could never not give every single life-saving something to this person who I love. And other family members who would say, no, I know this person would really want to not be suffering or in pain and not really having an awareness of what's going on. And you can have a fight, and that fight can go to court. By putting this document together, you're saying, this is the person that I want to pick, and this is the person I want to pick with these instructions on how I want to be treated. So the Advanced Medical Directive not only protects you and your wishes, but also saves your family from a lot of heartache and difficult decisions.